My time at Mines was a complex symphony of a bunch of activities and experiences that have shaped me and grown me into the person that I am today.
When I was deciding colleges, I was between CU Boulder and Mines, and I eventually chose to come here because of the academic rigor and the reputation we have here of being challenging, and the return on investment is also great.
It was a school that was full of nerds who like to work hard and play hard, so I thought it made sense.
Seeing Golden and seeing this campus, it really seemed like a place that I would enjoy, and it turned out to be totally true.
It's the #1 school in the state, and I just felt like I really wanted to come to a place where I was going to be challenged and where I knew that I was going to grow.
The whole orientation week during Helluva Welcome was so impactful and really set the tone for the rest of my time at Mines.
It's really cool being able to talk to all of my classmates and knowing that they'll have my back in whatever help I needed. But it's also the faculty members and the staff members here at Mines.
You know, coming here and being an athlete, you just immediately become immersed in a culture of really passionate and driven people who are going to push you to be the best version of yourself.
The outdoor rec center was able to provide a lot of rentals, so I learned how to snowboard my freshman year.
I found that it was really easy to utilize our maker spaces on campus and actually talk to faculty and get involved with people who want to help you bring those more wild ideas to life.
My favorite tradition at Mines is Oredigger camp. There's nothing quite like bringing 2,000 students up to the mountains to have a good time and play.
I love E-Days. The whole school really rallies behind the idea of like everyone having fun for a weekend.
Definitely the cardboard boat race during E-Days. I did it with the Peer Mentor League team, which was really fun.
I love the E-Days fireworks. It's a really cool way to celebrate all of your hard work for the year and just kind of like relax.
To me, being an Oredigger means being part of a legacy of changing the world.
It's to always support your community, always care about those around you, and to really care about the quality of work you put out.
A Mines degree is proof that you can tackle hard problems head on, knowing that you will eventually find a way to solve them.